taking the all-new Bronco out for a day-long off-road adventure would be an amazing way to spend the day. South Bay Ford's internet sales manager, Don Garner, was awarded that dream day for his role as our Bronco representative. Don got invited to the Bronco Rodeo in Austin, Texas. The rodeo is an all-day experience which included driving the Bronco and Bronco Sport, off-roading through mud ruts, rock crawls, and more. His group of 13 received instructions and training for driving the Bronco off-road. This adventure also took him to the Bronco base camp, where he was able to learn about over 200 Bronco accessories. What was his favorite part? Obviously driving the Broncos off-road, but the best was being able to drive the very first edition of the Bronco Badlands.
And I am in the very first edition of the Bronco first edition. Check this out. If you see that thing there, it says 1 of 7,000. So this is the very first edition of Bronco Badlands.
Do you want to take a trip to the Bronco Rodeo? Well, the only way to receive an invite is by either being a Bronco rep, or you need to have placed an order for a Bronco and have the VIN number for that order. Thanks for watching South Bay Ford in Lincoln.